Wow. Wow. Oh my, wow. What's up everyone? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. My name is deneatreslatreec. I am a wife and working mom to 4 beautiful children. On my channel, you can expect to see wig reviews, weekly vlogs, day in the life, get ready with me, a little bit of cleaning, and a whole lot of things. So if you are into any of that, go ahead and hit that fabulous subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. So today, this video is brought to you by the lovely LUVME hair. They reached out to me to review this gorgeous unit that I have on right now. And honey, let me tell you, boo-boo, they are loving me real nice, okay? LUVME is not coming to play, honey. They are doing a thing. And let me tell you about this unit. First off, this unit is so soft, so lightweight. It is a beginner friendly type of wig. If you want something that's like throw on and go, where you just put it on and you ain't got to do nothing, this is your unit right here. This is a good work wig, a good date night wig, a good go to the Walmart and get a gallon of milk type of wig. This wig can be worn for any occasion and you will look good while doing it, okay? So let me tell you some more about this gorgeous unit. I have the 10-inch. The color is natural black. It's 150% density and it's 100% virgin human hair, honey. It can be dyed, so if you want a little color, you can do it. It has a 4x4 parting space and the lace is Swiss lace. It is in the like medium brown color. The circumference of this unit is 22.5 inches. And honey, let me tell you, it is absolutely amazing. Also in the unit, they did give me some goodies in this nice little white bag. They gave a comb. They gave these lashes. They also gave these cute little nails, scrunchy hair tie, these cute little earrings. Like, yes, these are super duper cute. And they gave this little clip. It is really cute, gorgeous clip, y'all. So gorgeous. So yeah, this unit is absolutely amazing, honey, and they did not come to play. It is lightweight. It can be worn for any occasion. If you need to go to work, to church, to the mall, on a date night, or just being around the house, this is a good unit to have. You can put it on indoor time. I'm telling you, it's a great beginner friendly unit and I just absolutely love it. It is so nice to wear to the office or the church or just anywhere y'all, anywhere. If you are interested in more details on this unit, stay tuned. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So as y'all see, this is the unit right here, straight up out the box. It comes with the lace closure. It's a 4x4, clips on the side, in the middle, and in the back. It comes with a strap and an adjustable strap as well. So they doing their thing, y'all. So let's try it on, y'all. First, I'm going to already put me on a cap, but I want to put some powder on it. Alright, y'all, so now I put my powder on. We are going to go ahead and put this unit on. Ooh, honey, this is cute. This is cute, and it fits snug on my head. So y'all, do y'all see that lace? Do y'all see this lace? Do y'all see this lace, honey? Yes, this looks amazing. Do y'all see that hairline and that lace, honey? Boo, what lace? What lace? I mean, like, honey, yes. LUVME. I'm telling you, I LUVME be loving all on me. I don't know what y'all waiting on. If y'all waiting to get a LUVME unit, honey, baby, don't wait no more, because they don't love on you, because they loving out on me. Okay. So let's cut this lace off. I'm gonna put this hair back. cut this lace. Alright, now that we got the lace cut off, we're going to melt this lace down, honey. Yes, I am using my Got To Be glue spray to lay it down. Do y'all see how good this lace is? Honey, look. What lace, honey? What lace? Like, what lace? Honey, yes. Alright, now that I have sprayed it down, we're gonna put my strap on so we can lay it down some more while we style. Alright, y'all. So y'all know I like my side parts. I love my side parts. So we are going to continue with that and do a side part. So I'm going to bump it because I want a little bump on it. And we're just going to do a little bump. Not nothing too major. You know, just a little bit. See? Oh, it looks so pretty, y'all. So pretty. Y'all see that? And it's so soft. Y'all see that body, that movement, that's just effortlessly done right there, honey. It's just effortlessly done. Y'all, this is so cute. This is a cute little bob. Like, honey, yes. And we're just gonna give it some little bumps here and there. Wow. Wow. Oh my, wow. Do y'all see the lace? Do y'all see it? No, you don't. Okay. This is amazing. Oh my god. Y'all, this is cute right here. Honey, this is this type of short, sassy, I'm a boss type of wig, honey. Y'all see that? She is that, yes, honey, get out my way hair, okay? Yes. You need you a new do for 2022, boo, honey. Get this one. This one right here, she ain't playing, honey. She's lightweight, she's so soft, and she got a whole lot of attitude, honey. Gorgeous, y'all. This is gorgeous. Okay, I like this right here. You know, like that messy type of look. This is a great work wig, honey. It is just, it's fabulous. It is so fabulous. Go into the new year like a bad woman, okay? Go into the new year looking absolutely effortlessly beautiful, okay? This is gorgeousness right here. Do y'all see this hairline? Do y'all see this lace? Honey, LUVME ain't coming to play, okay? They not coming to play. They serious. They ain't new to this. They true to this, honey, okay? So let me show you the side and the back. This unit is so cute, y'all. So cute. It puts me in the mind of like making good. That's the type of style that it's giving me. Like when she had that short cut bob hair. So yeah, that put me in the mind of that. And honey, making good rock that hairstyle. And so can you, boo. It is big head friendly, y'all. You are a busy wife and a mom and you work a 9 to 5, putting something on that's easy like this and you look drop dead gorgeous, honey. It is a must-have. You need to go and scoop this up. So if you are interested in this unit, I will have all the information in the description box below. And you know I got you, boo. You know I do. You know I got you. Your girl got you a code to put along with it so you can save those coins. You can get to save 10% off your order. So make sure you hit that link in the description box below to get this beautiful, gorgeous unit. So I would like to thank LUVME Hair for sponsoring this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have not already, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!